Welcome to another video, my friends. Today I'll be unboxing and installing this NOVELUX 24-inch LED bathroom vanity light. All right, so let's open this up here. Okay, there we have it. I think that's it for the box. So this is pretty sleek and kind of a neat looking light there. Actually, should be a super easy installation. Just this metal bracket here installed on that. So nice. Looks like it's got I think this is a metal backing, perhaps, and yeah, I think it looks actually pretty cool. Let's go do the install real quick, shall we? And we'll tell you what we think about it. Wow, that looks actually pretty nice, my friends. I think it looks really cool, actually, and puts out a decent amount of light as well. I like that you can adjust to whatever light you want. I like the more yellow kind of light rather than the whiter light. So this really brightens up the whole bathroom nicely. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. I like the nice matte black finish too. Goes with kind of the theme we're going with in the bathroom. So you guys have a great day, and we'll see y'all next time. All right, so here we are. There it is, nicely in the bathroom. Like I said, it matches our black finishes there too. So I think it looks really nice. I like how much light it puts out, and also that I can change the lighting spectrum. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.